And some of you are probably wondering, Ansem, what do you do whenever you're waiting for your metal to heat up? I don't know. Let's go see. Is there? No, not done yet. Where did I put my hammer? So I thank you for joining in on some of that little shop humor. And that really is some of the things I actually do in the shop when I'm waiting for steel to heat up. So up until I can get this gas forge a little tuned in, a little bit better, a better fan, some better plumbing and whatnot, I have to keep the temperatures a little lower. So I still can't do any type of like forge welding or anything like that. So it does take the steel a little bit to warm up. And don't forget to give us that thumbs up, ring that bell for notifications. Share us out to your friends because we still need to help with our monetization hours. All right, greatly appreciated. And I also wanted to talk to you guys too about a campaign that we're doing. It's actually some shirts. So over on Bonfire, I'll put the link down in the description. It is a limited quantity. Right now I have the campaign set to 20 shirts. So it needs to do at least 20 for them to be shipped out. It is a very, very limited design. This is the one and only shot that you have a chance of getting this. It is actually our logo of what it looks like right here. And the shirt's only going to be available in black because obviously I'm a blacksmith. The majority of the shirts I wear are black, but they are going to be available in all the sizes, everything that you need. All right. So we're just trying to get a little bit of funds so we can travel down to Texas, have a little bit of extra spending money. Check down in the description. Get your shirts while you can, because once this campaign is done, I am not going to list this shirt for sale probably ever again. So get them while you can. I'm actually coming to you today, not for a blacksmithing video. This is going to be a video in the near future. So stick by for that. You probably saw a little snippet of what's going on with this project. It is going to be a collaboration video. More to come on that. All right. But I did put out a poll. So if you have not had a chance to see our poll, it's over on our community tab. Go over, check it out. You know, we're just asking some input from y'all of what you would like to see us do in the near future. So we do have some repairs that need to be done to the house, some drywall work. The bathroom, if you haven't checked out the bathroom install, we have been doing that. Over here, I'll put links up to the videos for that. Taking out a shower, installing a bathtub, mainly because the girls wanted to have a bathtub. All right, so go check those out. And also go over to the community tab and check and see what we have going with that poll and give us your vote. All right, and yes, one of those is a blacksmithing and or crafting project. Just know that some of those blacksmithing items and or crafting items do take time to record. So you just need to be a little patient on that. Now also, just to let you guys know that we are still trying to record and put out a video every single Monday, every single Friday. The live shows, that's still up in the air, okay? We don't really know when we're going to do lives, but we do want to try to put that into our schedule. Now, some of these repair items that we're going to be working on as well, they might take a little bit of time before we can actually get to them because we are planning a trip down to Texas for the holidays. So right now, all of our pennies is going towards that. For the trip, we are going to be driving. We are going to be recording. We're going to do a few videos on that. For the trip down, trip back, and visiting a little bit with family. But just know that during the time that we're down there, we're probably not going to be recording a whole lot of video. So during that time, so Christmas, New Year's time frame, we are going to take probably a little bit of a break. In case you guys haven't heard from us, we're okay. We're just traveling and visiting family. All right. But I definitely appreciate you guys for following along. And let's go check out some of those projects that you could be voting on for what you want to see next. So in here, obviously, I still have to fill this gap. I still have to close in the top, gap down on the floor, and then this wall over here, which I'm going to have to remove more likely the tile and then the trim here for the door. All right, and then this is our drywall work that needs to be done. And this has been shown in other videos, but if you guys want to see this done, then give it a vote. All right, and then lastly, we have our Rinnai tankless hot water heater. So I actually need to do maintenance on this. You're supposed to do maintenance every year, but I have not. It's been about 2 years, a little over 2 years. And yep, I do need to do the maintenance on this, which is cleaning the fans, making sure stuff's clean. And yeah, because it definitely makes a little bit more noise than it should be. So if you want to see this one, then go give it a vote. All right, so there we go. Make sure you're getting your vote in for what you would like to see, because we do enjoy y'all's feedback of what you would like us to put out, right? Because after all, it is y'all watching the videos, not us. All right, so give us that thumbs up, share us out to your friends, and yeah, that's really it. So, all right, but we definitely do appreciate your support and everything, and we'll get there eventually. All right, y'all. Well, see you on the next one. Bye-bye now.